Students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and okay. To class 4th social study chapter 5th rotation and revolution. So this is the practice set of this chapter. So in this video we are going to learn fill in the blanks, B part match the following, C part choose the correct answer and D part answer the following questions. So now let us start this video. Fill in the blanks. The spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called, answer will be rotation. Clear? The earth take dash days and dash hours to complete one rotation around the sun. 365 days and 6 hours. An imaginary line passing through horizontally through the middle of earth is called equator. Answer will be equator. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, the dash pole is under darkness. So if northern hemisphere be tilted, so answer will be south. Clear? Everything should be opposite. If northern hemisphere summer, southern will be winter. Other southern have a summer and northern will be winter. The continued night in the polar region during winter is known as polar night. Clear? So spinning movement of the earth around its axis is rotation. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one rotation around the sun. An imaginary line passing horizontally through the middle of the earth is called equator. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, the south pole is the under darkness. The continued night in the polar region during the winter is known as polar night. Clear? Match the following. Tilted, answer will be B, in sloping position. Elliptical, answer A. Oval. Equator, answer E. Two equal halves. E for equator, E for equal. Hemisphere, C. One half of a sphere. Leap year, 366 days. Clear? Tilted, in a sloping position. Elliptical, oval. Equator, two equal halves. Hemisphere, one half of a sphere, and a leap year 366 days. So now choose the correct answer. So first is here, our planet, the earth is constantly moving in a dash ways. So answer will be 2. Clear? So rotation and revolution. Clear? The earth rotates from west to north, west to south, north to south, none. So answer will be none. Clear? So rotation of the earth causes day and night, day, night, both, and none. So answer will be C, both, day and night. So our planet, the Earth constantly moving in two ways. Earth rotate from here. Answer is not there. Okay, so it answer will be none. Rotation of the Earth causes day and night. So answer will be C, both. Next, the hemisphere that is tilted away from the sun experience. Tilted away means winter. Clear? So which hemisphere will be far from the sun, there will be winter. The earth rotate from which direction to which direction? So earth rotate from west to east direction. B will be right answer. The lower half from the equator is called southern hemisphere. Clear? Southern. Upper half is known as northern hemisphere. Down half is known as southern. Clear? Hemisphere that is tilted away from the sun experience winter. The earth rotate from which direction to which direction? West to east. Lower half from the equator is called southern hemisphere. So here first question, why do we have a leap year? It take 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to revolve around the sun. So earth take 365 days and 6 hours to complete uh, its movement around the sun. Okay, so first year 6 or second year 6 or third year 6 or fourth year 6 or 6 6 12 and 16 18 and 24. So fourth year every year extra 6 6 or we added in fourth year February. Okay, so 24 or means one day added into the February. To adjust one day we have a leap year. There are 365 days in a leap year. Clear? So it take 365 5 days and 6 hours for the earth to revolve around the sun. First year 6, second, third and fourth year 6. When fourth year will be there, these 6 hour or will be a 24 hours. It means one day. 24 hour means one day added into February. That day we added into February to adjust one day. Uh, have leap year. So there are 366 days in a leap year. So 2024 is a leap year. Next leap year will be 2028. What are the two factors due to which we have season on the earth? Two factors that cause season on the earth is tilt of the earth's axis, revolution of the earth around the sun. Clear? Tilt of the earth's axis, revolution of the earth around the sun. So third question, why do we get polar night and midnight sun? So why do we get polar night and midnight sun? The polar night and midnight sun are caused by Earth's tilt and rotation as it orbits the sun. Clear? The polar night and midnight sun are caused by the Earth's tilt and rotation as it orbits the sun. As it orbits the sun due to its tilted and rotation. Okay, so we experience polar night and midnight sun. The earth is moving continuously, yet we cannot feel the motion of the earth. Why? The earth is moving continuously. We already know, yet we cannot feel the motions of the earth. Why? So this is the most important question. It is so because we are spinning with it at the same constant speed. Means earth is moving which speed now we are also moving same speed with earth. That's why we are not feeling. It is so because we are spinning with it at the same constant speed. Clear? What is rotation? What does it cause? So look this question. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Clear? The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It causes day and night. Clear? Same question. What is revolution? What does it cause? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. It causes season. Clear? So now check next question related to these two questions. How is the rotation different from revolution? So these both question I arrange here. The rotation, same way, rotation, the movement of earth on its own axis is called rotation. First, fifth number question, it causes day and night. So same here, the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. It causes season. It causes day and night. It causes season. Clear? So same question, rotation, revolution. Here we write same. Sixth question is there, fifth question is there. And if you forget anything, you can write earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation around the sun. So here you will write earth take 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Clear? I hope you understand each and everything. Thank you. Have a nice day.